My name is Michael and I'm with the Man Rescue Dog Foundation in Thailand. This is Cork. He's with me. Cork is around 10 years old and he's been with me for 9.5 of them. When I lived in Rayong, we walked my dogs and we usually passed Cork's house, and he was about 6 months old and he was a small dog with big ears and almost always some eye infection, but he was very happy to see us. Every day we walked my dogs, we passed his house. Then one day we couldn't see him. I asked the owner where he was and she said that he had been hit by a motorbike and broke his spine. And so we offered her to a wheelchair. The day after she asked me if I could take Cork into my family. It's not that really difficult to have a handicapped dog. It's only that you need to have a wheelchair when you walk them and you need to empty the bladder 3 times a day, and that's it. Come on. So Cork has been, as I said, with me for 9.5 years and he's 10 years old in September. Let's say he's the founder of Wheelchair Mafia because he's the oldest member. He's a goofball. He likes to be a bit bossy. He is my wingman if there is some issues in my family with my 18 dogs. He usually steps in and tells them to stop. He likes to kiss. Likes to kiss girls. He likes girls a lot. Sometimes he's grumpy, which he is now a bit. I don't know why. You have a bad day? Huh? No, he loves me. Anyway, this is Cork and I'm Michael. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.